What's up guys, Hanif here. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys a very simple and effective way to turn your images black and white in Photoshop. So let's get started with the video. What's up guys, Hanif here. Before I continue with this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And also you can turn on my notifications to be notified whenever I drop a new video. You can also get my prints from the link below at anif.darkroom.tech. Let's start with turning this image black and white. This will be quite a very quick video, and I'll be explaining guys through how this method is it's like the best method for me. So let me show you guys like the different ways to go about this. The first thing I might think about is maybe just go to hue and saturation. Just reduce the saturation. I mean, this works great. This works really great. But then another method, the best method I think you should use is going to adjustment layers and choosing the black and white adjustment layer. Now with this method, you'll be able to adjust the color, the intensity of every color. Maybe you want the skin to be lighter, you can increase the reds, increase the yellows as well, or if you want it dimmer, you bring it down. Any color that you want to make adjustments to, you can always make adjustments to them here with this method. So it's not just turning your images black and white. You can turn your images black and white and still have control over the colors in the image. So it's a very simple and effective method. Now let me show you guys the difference between this and maybe doing the same thing with hue and saturation layer, and just maybe bring the saturation down to 100. So this is with the hue and saturation layer, and this is with the normal black and white layer. Hue and saturation layer, you see the skin is too dark. I mean, this is great, but if you want more control over your colors, this is the advisable way to go about it. And let me just show you guys a very quick tip on how you can use this black and white layer to have control over the colors without making the image black and white. Let's say maybe you want to have control over the colors, you want to brighten it or darken it, or maybe especially your skin tone, but you want control over the colors. So what you'll have to do to control colors without making it black and white is to just switch the layer mode from normal to luminosity. Now this image is black and white, but as you can see, you can still like have control over the colors. Let me show you guys. Like I can bring my yellows up, make it brighter, dimmer. I can adjust my reds, which is mostly the skin, which affect the skin. My reds and yellows affect the skin. My cyans as well, I can make it brighter. My blues. So this is a very nice and effective method to control colors here image. This is just a quick video to show you guys how you can make your images black and white and still have control over the colors, and also if you want to control the colors without necessarily making it black and white. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and to turn on my notifications. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.